The speed and efficiency of ProSeries really starts right here at the main client screen, which is what we refer to as Homebase. Not only does it allow you to display your clients by certain criteria, such as individual returns, corporate returns, and so on, it also is a way that you can manage all of your data for your firm in one place. And let me show you some examples of what we're talking about with the ProSeries Homebase screen. So what you see in the upper left-hand side of the screen is a Homebase view, which is simply how you display your clients by certain programs, or whether you want to display clients who are e-filing, etc. So right now, my Homebase view says 1040 individual, and that's why I'm seeing a list of all my individual clients A to Z on my Homebase screen. But I can also switch here between corporate, partnership, all the different modules that you have installed, or even go directly to the e-file center, which will change the list to just display those clients that you're e-filing, and you'll get different types of information available on this screen, maybe slightly different than your 1040 view. So in this case, you can see the status of your e-filed return, whether it's been transmitted, accepted, and so on, their amount of refund, the refund method, and so on this screen. Back to the 1040 individual screen, one thing you'll also notice is that you see different columns of information. So think about this as almost like a big spreadsheet or a database management system. You can choose to display any column really from a tax return on your Homebase screen. And the real benefit of this is that you're not consistently having to dig into your data files or open files or look at old tax returns to find things that you might want to see on an ongoing basis. So you see up here I've got home telephone number, email address, the status of the tax return, so I can track the work in progress. I can mark returns as either final, on extension. There are a number of different statuses you can use, and you can see here very easily right on your Homebase screen what status your clients are in. And I can even sort in ascending and descending to kind of group them all together and deal with a specific group of clients at any one time. So again, this Homebase screen is entirely customizable by the customer or by the user. We also have a lot of support options on this screen, so you see most common support questions. This changes as you move through ProSeries, providing you with that level of detail. Ask Intuit, which is a more automated help system, searching the help program as well. And then over here we have live community, where you can actually ask questions of other ProSeries users, and a tax research button where you can do in-product tax research, and we use BNA as our research provider for that. Last but not least, what I really like about this too is we also have this Snapshot button at the top of the screen. And if I click Snapshot, what you'll see here is a listing of all pertinent information related to the client that you'd like to see. So let's say the client calls and says, I want to know the amount of my refund, or who's working on my return, when I'm going to get my refund, what type of a refund I'm getting. You'll see we have a lot of different information here: name, address, phone numbers. In the lower section, all your e-filing, telling the date that it was transmitted, the date it was accepted. All under tax information, the refund for the Fed, what type of a refund it is, and what type of a disbursement they're going to get. So in this case, the refund type is a RAL, and they're getting paid with a check. And then in the lower section, bank product information that's automatically pulled in as well, so you can track, should you be using bank products for this client, you can track the status of those as well. So this is a real nice snapshot that you can click, just highlight the client on the Homebase screen, go ahead and click Snapshot, and we're going to give you this, pull all this information together in one spot without you having to go dig and look in a bunch of different places.